Hold the extension table firmly and pull it off to the left. Take out the bobbin case holding the latch. Take out bobbin. When installing the bobbin case, the pin on the case should fit into the gap of the shuttle race. Pull up the spool pin. Place a spool of thread on the spool pin. Place it through the thread guide. Place bobbin onto the bobbin wider shaft with end of thread coming from top of bobbin. Push bobbin winder shaft to the right until it clicks. Turn on the sewing machine. The bobbin starts winding when the foot pedal is lightly pressed. Trim the excess thread from the head of the line. The bobbin will automatically stop turning when completely filled. Push shaft to the left to remove bobbin and cut thread. Install the bobbin into bobbin case. And pull the thread into the groove in the bobbin case slot. When you pull the thread, leave about 4 inches of the thread hanging out of the bobbin case. Pull up the spool pin. Pull the thread out from the spool. Place it through the thread guide. Draw thread down into the tension area and around the check spring holder. Turn the hand wheel to raise the take-up lever to its highest point. Firmly draw thread up and through take-up lever from right to left. Then draw thread down and slip it into the lower thread guide. Draw thread down and slip it into needle bar thread guide. Raise the needle to the highest point. Lower the presser foot. Pull down the lever while holding the end of the thread. Rotate the lever to the rear of the machine. Guide thread into hooked end and pull the thread upward. And pull the thread away from you. Raise the presser foot. Continue turning the hand wheel until the take-up lever is at its highest position. Pick out the bottom wire. Pull 6 inches of both thread back and under the presser foot. Up-down needle position function. LED brightness adjustment function. Slow down sewing function. Speed up sewing function. Press the button to adjust the brightness of the light. Continuously pressing the button will quickly adjust the speed to 20. Set the upper needle position. When sewing is stopped, the position of the needle is always on the top. Continuously pressing the button will quickly adjust the speed to 800 maximum sewing speed. Set the upper needle position. Raise the needle by turning hand wheel toward you. Lower the presser foot. Rotate the needle clamp screw toward yourself to loosen the needle. Remove the needle from the clamp. Insert the new needle into the needle clamp with the flat side away from you. When inserting the needle into the clamp, push it up as far as it will go. Tighten the clamp screw clockwise firmly with the screwdriver. Raise the presser foot. Press the lever on the back of the presser foot holder. The presser foot will drop off. Place the presser foot. Lower the presser foot holder to lock the foot in place. Turn off the sewing machine. Remove the face cover screw cap. Turn the screw in a counterclockwise direction. Remove the face cover screw. Remove the face cover. Apply a few drops of fine quality sewing machine oil. Remove the accessory box. Open the cover plate and take out bobbin. Open the shuttle race cover holders. Remove the shuttle race cover and the shuttle. Clean the shuttle race with soft cloth and a brush. Assembly the shuttle race after cleaning and put back the accessory box. Remove the needle plate, set screws, and remove the needle plate. Clean out dust and lint clogging on the feed dog teeth with a brush. After cleaning, restore the disassembled parts.